me stop. Today's Friday at 9:22. I woke up. I've been waking up and going back to sleep for a hot 3 hours. But I'm up now. Maybe. I'm up, but I'm not out of bed. Anyways, so yo, I got these little, I forgot what they're called. I'm gonna do a real review on them, but I just want to taste them now because my mom already tasted one. Like, well, I want to taste one too. But I got my breakfast. I'm trying to, like, I'm on a little diet. I'm not supposed to eat bread, gluten and all that stuff because it makes me. But today is Friday, so the diet officially starts today. I started early. I don't know how I'm gonna stick to it, but I'm gonna lower my, lower my red intake. It's cold in here. The fall is not playing no games. It's 42 degrees outside right now. Oh, 41. No, I'm at 51. But look, it's cold. The window's closed. I have a bunch of blankets on my bed, and I'm still cold. My eyebrows are very prominent right now. I'm not getting out the bed anytime soon. I'm gonna get out of the bed at like 11 or so. Cause I need to record this. I'm kind of scared. My mom said it just says like grapes or something. I don't know. I need to wash my clothes, wash my hair. I didn't wash my hair for a week. Like a week and a half. Maybe 2 weeks. Which is not, because I had my hair in the braids. Then I didn't wash it after that. No, yes, I did wash it after that. Okay, so a week, because I took it out of my I usually wash it like once a week. I haven't washed it throughout the whole week, so now I'm washing it today. Does that make any sense? Anyways, we have yogurt, strawberries, honey, granola. I need to wash my meal prep containers. It was something else. I need to order my Halloween stuff. I need to order some more, well, some new, like, nail stuff. I found out that the glue in the kit that I was using, I'm allergic. If I don't get it on my skin, I'm fine, but it's like, I'm not. I've already had contact dermatitis like twice from this glue. I'm not doing it again. I'm gonna look into, I think it's Builder Gel. The Beatles brand. Now, mind you, I use their polygel. I'm allergic to that too. But at first, I wasn't reacting to it. Like, when I first started using it, maybe a year ago, nothing. Later this year, contact dermatitis. And, I don't know, the gel is just hard to work with. I don't know how to use it. I'm not a pro. I'd rather, the one that I saw, she just put the nail glue from the Beatles on there. But this one is easier because it has the brush. The two ones, I don't know how to do it. I can't do it. So you brush it on there, you put the tip on there. You cure it. Or something. I don't know. It looks easier, so I'm going to try that one. I'm going to order it later. Because I'm doing my press ons for Halloween. My red ones for my costume. So then I'm going to need to take a break after that. Need to do some teacher work. Eventually this weekend. Probably not. Maybe not today. Maybe later today. The day is early. Open my mail. Like casual stuff, you know. That's in 2 hours. I'm not doing it yet. I think that's all. Sorry. My room is pretty clean. Took out the trash yesterday. And, yeah. Hold on, y'all. Let me show y'all something real quick. Okay, because I'm hooked. First of all, finished watching You. Ending was kind of like, it wasn't bad. They had to end it somewhere. It was, you know. Okay, Marianne. Okay. Interview with the Vampire. I just be doing like trends and stuff. Like, it just be the freaking clock it. Anyway, I'm only on episode 2, but it's a 10 out of 10. It's a 10 out of 10. It's something about, like, I don't know, the acting is just and then like the quality, I don't know how to explain it. It's just eating right now. It's on the one, I know it's on Hulu. That's like the whole thing. Netflix has 7 episodes. I'm gonna watch the 7 episodes and I might watch it again. I don't know. But so I'm not getting Hulu. I'm sorry. My mom pays for the subscription. I'm gonna use the ones we got. I do recommend watching it. You is good. Go watch that too. I put off watching You because I didn't really. But I think Joe Girl wrote. Okay, goodbye.
0%. It's all good, boo. We got to swing. You want to swing for a little bit? Yep. Yeah, my bitch is better than yours. Anywho, yeah, it feels great out here though. Oh, we should do a fit check. You wanna do a fit check? Fit check, yeah, fit check. Let them know. Drip, drip from top to bottom. Drip from top to bottom. Oh, oh. All right, ho, gotta get me. Oh.
Oh, no, the swing. Okay.
Like shit.
The sun is in the way. They can't even see you.
They can't. So over here. Better?
Sure.
Better?
Yeah, sure.
So she said that the shirt don't go with it. I said all you need is just a little bit of black and white just to make it. Y'all let me know what you think. Bro, I would be a dick. Anyway, back with me. So I don't even know if this is break. If you know what this is, because she apparently doesn't, let me know so I can get some more. We got Calvin Klein here. We got regular old sweatpants, and then the Forces, you know what I'm saying? Represent the Breakfast Club, favorite movie. My hand. Funny bone.
Dang, I can't even see. Take it back. I need to take better pictures. These were all ugly.
Anyways, we about to get some pics in, maybe. No, we definitely get some pics in.
Yeah.
So, we'll catch y'all. Yep. Yeah, she forgot to record the whole trip. I had to remind her to bring out the cam dam. You know what I'm saying? Cam dam in here, bro. My guy back there is staring. Don't even worry about it. Where's the lighting? I'm not gonna lie to you. Right? That music don't want to get monetized. So, we out here on a little journey. We took the train. From, well, I drove to her house to pick her up. Anyways, lighting is pretty butt in here, so I'm about to just give me I look good on that shit. God. Woo. Anyways, so yeah, we came by a park. I don't know, but it's like so many like beautiful attractions out here and stuff like that. It's like a little walkway, and it leads to a park. But look, that's the entrance. Okay, you can't really see too well, but it's the entrance to this joint.
We got apples, the Honeycrisp apples, peanut butter, naan bread with chicken, homemade sauce, vegetables, cheese, and that's it. This is for dinner, by the way. No beverage. Well, there's a water. Maybe a water. The same thing as last night, but without the naan bread and apple. Minute Maid and water. So water that Minute Maid, big flavor. More water, a little bit of water, which I'm gonna pour into here. Strawberries and raspberries, and I had honey bunches of oats, yogurt with almond milk for breakfast. cereal, well, granola, and almond milk for breakfast. Look, I didn't know what else to do, so because I had to take it to work. Turkey salad, same homemade sauce, strawberry yogurt. This is for breakfast. I forgot what these are called. 3 strawberries, an apple, and this water, granola, almond milk, bananas, vitamin water. And we can put this on the fridge. Taco, nacho, something. Piece made with water, and strawberries. Hopefully that tastes good. Then earlier I had some hard salami and provolone cheese cubes. The salami was not. I shouldn't be eating pork because it makes my stomach hurt. But the provolone was good. And what else did I have? For breakfast I had granola, almond milk, and a yogurt. That's pretty much what I had. Yeah, what's this? I didn't eat my apple from lunch, so I'm having that and some peanut butter. Hot Pocket. Well, actually, 2 Hot Pockets. I was feeling too lazy to make dinner and I'm tired, so yeah. I got tropical smoothie for breakfast.
No cheese on the mouth.
Hey guys, so we got tropical smoothie for breakfast. I've been on a diet, kind of. I've been trying to not eat bread. I stick to it pretty good. So yesterday I had a Hot Pocket, 2 Hot Pockets. But that was out of like 7 days of the week. So that was 1 day out of 7 days of the week. So I did 6 days. Anyway, I'm going to the zoo today by train. The sun is burning my neck. Like, I can't tell if that's like, yeah, anyway. The time is, oh, my smoothie. 1:10, Saturday, October 15th.
Get out of here. You want to play an emulation of GoldenEye 64 on my computer?
There's 64 Golden.
Don't be like me, but I'm having a Hot Pocket for breakfast and I don't want to hear anything about it.
What's that, Mom?